The old typewriter was waiting on my desk, keys gleaming though my office was dark. I'd never owned one, but curiosity won. I sat, placed my fingers above the keys, and felt a chill. The carriage returned on its own, clacking out words I hadn't thought. I buried him beneath the roses. My breath caught. I tried to stop, but my hands danced unwillingly, confessing every secret I'd hidden. The machine paused, then typed, "They're coming." Sirens wailed outside. I tried to scream, but the only sound was the relentless clack of keys, spelling out my guilt for the world to read.